West Coast swing move. We call it a kick and cross. You don't really kick, but you'll see. And we are going to do it with a two-hand tuck exit. So we're going to show you what it looks like.
Okay, I do a sugar push first.
1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8, 9, and 10, 11, and 12, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, and then we finish with an underarm turn. Okay? And then, Dick, why don't we break it down?
Okay, let's break that down. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna lead by rolling both thumbs to my left. My right hand goes down, my left hand stays up about here, looks like this on count 2. 1, 2. That causes the lady to come back with me and take the step back.
I want to show it from this direction. I want you to see this hand, what it does. 1, 2. So it sort of twists and he sticks it out. That gives me a chance to turn myself.
It's just an indicator to turn. We'll do it again.
1,
2. All my weight's on the back foot, same with the follow. So now, facing the camera, we are going to do a kickball change from there. So it's 1, 2. Left foot is available. We call it a kick, but it's not. It's just kind of a knee pop. It's 3 and 4. And then we square up. Now I'm going to change the arms from here. As I step off to the side, I'm going to do a side check. I'm going to take my hands and I'm going to roll the hands out like this and separate the arms just a little, about like we would on nightclub two-step. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Here's 5. I just tap my toe. I'm going to cross over and I'm going to try to keep my hips and chest pretty much parallel with the partner, and we cross over here. There, side check, cross, side check, cross. So let's put numbers to that.
I do want to say just one thing. Some of the problems we had in our class was go 1, 2. What happens is when he leads me on 1. On 2, he's asking me to turn, but he didn't ask me to move this foot. So some of the ladies in our class were bringing their foot back, but he didn't lead that. He just went 1, 2.
Notice my foot stayed out there. She's going to match me.
And then even though your foot is out here, you're still going to swoosh your foot forward for 3 and 4. Okay?
So it looks like this.
1, 2, 3, and 4.
So that's on the triple step. Then we do a side check. 5
and 6,
crossover. 7 and 8.
9 and 10, 11 and 12.
On 12, I'm done with the sequence, so I'm pushing my hands out. You do as many as you want, but we went to count 12, counting all the numbers. Now, I'm going to walk her in. She's going to pass by my left shoulder and do a two-hand tuck, 2 walks, walk, walk, 3 and 4, 5 and 6. Of course, we'll do an underarm turn to get back out of that.
Okay, so let's do it from a different angle. Okay, here we go.
Okay, so again, the setup is on 1, 2.
1, 2,
We go
3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8, 9 and 10, 11 and 12 and 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6. Let's see, let's do it from this angle.
Okay.
So we're gonna go 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8, 9 and 10, 11 and 12 and 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6. I think let's do it so they can get your footwork.
Okay, we go.
1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8, 9 and 10, 11 and 12 and 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6. We finish with an underarm turn. And 4, 5 and 6. So that's what we taught in our